we're going to continue the Finding Nemo challenge of Purpose and Chill, aka Lewis said so. But this time, I'm not doing it live. But I'm not going to cut this video just in case you hear this sounds like the fan. Hopefully it won't bother you guys. But we're going to try this one. So I appreciate each and everyone who will watch this. I will try how many I can do. But it's actually 25 kickbacks and 25 one pump. Let's see how many we can do. Appreciate it and everyone guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So wrong. It doesn't show there. So the first one. Um, turning to body. Bye. Finish it. Okay. So yeah, we finish one round. I'm not going to do much for now. I'll try the next. So this is not live. This will be just uploaded as a premiere. And I appreciate each and everyone. Again, thank you very much for this challenge. Big salute to all of you. The Sir Leo said so. Purpose and Chill for this challenge. And everyone part of this. Put up this in Namaste. The burpees. The burpee reaper. The burpee reaper. Gilbert. Oscar Fatman does it. Push the earth. Zay. Purpose Giant. And everyone part of this. Big shout out to all of you. Thank you for the amazing support to the channel. Again, I try to do as much as I can, how many I can, because I know I was not able to make it 10 rounds every day. So, and I got sick last time before it ends, you know. But like I said, I try to do my best. If I cannot do it live, so I'm going to do like this. I'm going to do a video of this one, and I will not cut it. And then if I upload it and there's no music, I just probably add through YouTube Studio later on. But for now, thank you very much for this challenge. I appreciate each and every one part of this, and my big salute to all of you guys for the motivation, and also shout out for one of the amazing amazing super chatter supporter or membership gifter, Shirley, aka Nikon Nick. Mom Shirley, she doesn't have, you know, content on her channel, but like I said, it's her son, which is Nick on Nick. You know what to do if you're not yet been to his channel. But like I said, I do appreciate each and every one of you for the amazing support. Nature Dog Realms, Miss Best Productions, the new member When Larry Sings, thank you very much, sir. Rudy's This and That and Family, Boss Lady Denise, Charming Tracy Robin, Jet Shelly Journey, hashtag #V.O.M, another member of the channel, The Burpee Reaper, Purpose and Chill, Put Up That's in Namaste. What else? I hope I mentioned everyone. Lula Palulaza, Angel Light Over Darkness 33, and wait, let me see her. What else I haven't do a shout out, so I'm not going to cut it. Like I said, wait. Oh, it's good. I was checking on my I was muting my claims on my video because of karaoke, guys, and I was just grateful that it's faster now when it comes to muting. So let me just see. I hope I didn't miss anyone. I'm going to do a shout out again. Quick shout out to my amazing members. Okay. So again, my amazing members. Big shout out to all my amazing members, gold members, super chatters, Lula Palulaza, Tandra, Angel Light Over Darkness. Big shout out to my silver members, super chatters, Put Up the Namaste, Nature Dog Realms, Miss Best Productions, The Burpee Reaper, Jace6437 or Jace, Leo Said So, the J Jordan, what else? Wait. Hashtag V.O.M, Boss Lady Denise, Charming Tracy Robin, Jet Shelly, Rudy's This and That and Family, When Larry Sings. And big shout out also to the amazing membership gifters. Let me just do a quick shout out to the membership gifters, super chatters, Nature Dog Realms, Shirley, Sing It Mama, Nick on Nick, the J Jordan. Okay. And I appreciate each and every one of you amazing super chatters. Bushka K9, Coco, A Resilient Dad, Panama City, Wellness with Frugal Mama, Silence is My Virtue, Just a Yogi doing burpees in his basement. I am Edward Souza, She Cooks and Rolls. Another sets of super chatters. Big shout out to Burger Reaper, Leo Said So, Jace, the J Jordan, Oscar Fairman Does It, A Poor Man's Jim DH, Monk Mo Jace, Each One Helps One Bible Day Stories, Brian Lane, MVP News TV 8. So that's all, guys. And another one here. I already shout out. I forgot. Thank you very much, everyone, for the amazing support of the channel. Thank you again for the amazing support. So I'm just not going to edit this one apart from I will just upload it. And if I hear some noise with my background because of the fan, I had to turn on the other fan and a couple of while ago here because the fan is kind of loud, my fan over there. So thank you very much, everyone, for watching. Much love to all, and thank you again for subscribing to Trending Live TV channel. My channel is Trending Live TV. If you're not yet connected, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, and share this video. And of course, if you want to be a part of my members, click the join button. It will be on my description box, and you can also see it on the channel itself, on the homepage. You can see it there. Join. I think they changed it with subscribe, something like that. So yeah, appreciate each and every one of you. Much love, and big salute to all. Much love to all. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. See you on the streets.